Hi there, I'm Stacy Trin from InsuranceExamGuides.com and welcome to our online course for CPCU 540, Impacting the Bottom Line of Insurance Financials. In this course, it's all about the money. So we'll talk about stuff like how insurance companies make money, how they can raise more money if they need it, how they record and report their transactions, and more. Now, traditionally, students have struggled to earn their CPCU designation because they find the information they need to know too boring or too technical for them to really understand. So we decided to create some online courses to help make the material anything but those things. At InsuranceExamGuides.com, we aim to make the material simple and straightforward. And we're not afraid to get ridiculous or silly as long as it makes the information more memorable and easier for you to understand. We just want you to succeed. So we've packed our course with a whole bunch of content, including online video lectures, a streaming audio-only option in case you prefer to just listen on the go. We've thrown in our ever-popular study guides and bonus printables to help you effectively review all the material you need to know. And we've included a whole bunch of practice test questions. That way, you have everything you need to effectively prepare for your test. Especially if this is your first time using one of our courses, be sure to check out all the videos in our intro module so you can find out how to access each of the features I mentioned and get smart strategies for tackling each of your CPCU exams, including the one for this course in particular. So if you're ready to do this, so are we. Let's show you the money and help you master everything you need to know so you can take your exam with confidence.